I'm making dinner for my family. It's Philly cheesesteak casserole tonight, and I thought I would bring you along and show you how I make it. So let's get into it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little oil in our pan, and it's not a hard recipe at all. A couple tablespoons. I use about a pound of the lean cube steak. I can't have this, but my family loves it, so I make it for them. Just gonna let it get familiar with the oil. At this point, I'm gonna season the meat. I'm using garlic, onion, and salt. And it's to taste. We like a lot of garlic. Well, they like a lot of garlic. Then we're going to continue cooking. And I've made it many times and I've not had any complaints. So I must be doing something right. I don't know. Meat is almost done. It's still a little pink. I'm going to add in about a cup of onions. I diced them real good. And about a cup of green peppers, also diced really well. You can slice them, but my people like them diced. So, and then we're going to let that all cook real nice. I'm going to put a lid over it so that the steam can help cook it. You'll notice that I didn't drain the meat. You can if it's juicy or greasy, but this wasn't. This was very lean, so it's not very juicy. Okay, so everything looks like it's cooking pretty well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a block of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces of the Philadelphia cream cheese. And I cut it into little squares just so it can maybe melt a little quicker. And it should be pretty quick. It's already melting. So far we've got our meat, green peppers, onions, and then our seasonings, which were salt, garlic, and onion. And look at this. Looks like it's almost ready for the next step. We want to make sure that that cream cheese is melted pretty good. You don't want to bite into a hunk of cream cheese, or maybe you do. I don't know. It looks like that cream cheese is mixed. Now we're going to add a cup of beef broth. Just any beef broth. Shake it up. Just empty it right in there. And again, mix it up. Now you got to be careful because everything's getting all full. And you can add what you like. If you like mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, put them in. I'm going to let this get familiar with each other, cook up a little bit for just a couple minutes, 2-3 minutes. I'm going to let this just bubble. Next step is we're going to put it in our casserole dish. I have a 8 by 11.5. You're going to put it in your casserole dish. I did not grease the pan. It's just going in straight. And we're going to kind of just mix this around. We're evening it out. Make sure that it's nice and pretty. Finally, the fun part. We're going to put provolone, sliced provolone cheese on the top. And you're just going to cover the whole thing. I'm going to go a couple extra. We got to have everything covered. And then we put this in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until that cheese is melted, because really everything is cooked. We're just waiting for the cheese to melt. results. It smells really good. And it's a little soupy, and that's how it's supposed to be. Let me get you a bowl. You just... And there you go. And that is my Philly cheesesteak casserole that I make for my family. Have a good night.